so welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have my lovely mother here with me today.
Hi.
And we are going to be talking about how we were able to pull off a wedding for her in less than 30 days.
Believe it or not, 30 days.
Yeah, like we did that.
It was amazing. Yeah.
And now I have a stepdad, so
it's a good thing.
yeah, it's a good thing. It's a good thing.
Yes.
So how does it feel to be a married woman?
It's amazing. He's a great guy, so I'm blessed and happy that he's part of our life now.
Oh, okay. So you feel good?
Yeah, it feels wonderful.
Okay, that's good. I'm happy for you. A lot of you guys have asked me, like, how did I pull off this wedding? Like, how did we do it? What vendors did we use? And all that stuff. It's amazing to have as much help and support as you possibly can to plan these type of things.
Yes, we had a good experience.
We had an amazing experience. Actually, here's a little backstory for those of you who don't know. And she called me and she's like, hey, so I'm getting married on my birthday. And I'm like, Mom, your birthday's in like 3 weeks. She's like, yeah, I know. We're just gonna do like the courthouse thing. We don't want anything expensive or crazy.
Yeah, something simple.
Yeah, she was going on that she wanted something simple.
Yeah.
So then when we got off the phone, I was thinking in my head, like, you know, my mom's never had like a wedding before. So I wanted to make sure that although it was very low key, we only had family there, that it was something special.
Right.
Where she had a ceremony, where she had a reception, where she had like the whole wedding. And what had happened is that I had rented a house for her birthday.
That we normally do every year.
We kind of made it a tradition to rent a house for her birthday, and everybody can stay and cook and enjoy each other's company and, you know, all that good stuff. Make some great memories. And this house is a really nice house, so I figured, why not get married in this house? I really wanted for it to be special, and I'm not a wedding coordinator, I'm not a wedding planner, I don't know anything about weddings like that. I've only participated in them, but never to a capacity of like doing the behind the scenes stuff. Never.
Right, no, never.
No, that's a lot. That's a lot.
I get nervous. It's like, I don't even know where to start.
I wanted to make sure that I hired someone, like a wedding planner, coordinator person, that could kind of help me make this vision come to life, because I wanted to also help her get ready and have somebody else kind of handle the decorations, setting up, making sure everyone's seated, all that stuff. So the first thing that we did was that I contacted this amazing company called Runway Events, and they're amazing.
Oh, wonderful people.
Very professional.
Girls all over. They're really great.
Yes, and we took a meeting with them, and we basically talked about everything that we had so far for the wedding and things that we were missing, which at that point we didn't have anything. Like, they had everything because they do a million weddings all the time, so they obviously know.
They walk you through everything.
They walk you through everything. They ask us the chairs, the linens, the vendors, do we have this, do we have that? Like, they were very organized, and they helped us bring that magic to life. So then after we had our meeting with Runway, what happened after that?
Book the vendor.
Yes. So in a wedding, you have to have vendors, you have to have a photographer. If you want video, you need a videographer. If you want food, you need a catering company, all that stuff. Like, you don't think about it until you're actually like doing it. So what we ended up doing was getting rentals. Also is something that you need whenever you're getting married or whenever you're having a big party. You need tables, you need chairs, you need linens, you need charger plates.
Oh my God.
So many things.
It's a lot of stuff.
And you need pipe and drapes. Like, it's just so many little pieces that bring everything together, but they're not things that you think about when you're like in your primary stages for
a wedding.
Yeah.
It turned out good because of the girls we had and how everything was planned out nicely. Yeah. Where everybody came together and made it a wonderful moment.
Yeah. At this point, when we met with Runway, we were 3 weeks out of the wedding. I think we had 26 days or something like that. After that, I booked my bartender, and I'm going to be leaving all of everybody's information that we worked with down below in the description, so make sure you check that out.
Photographer.
We got our photographer too. We didn't want a videographer because we didn't really feel like we needed one, because, you know, everybody uses their smartphones nowadays, so we had videos from like everyone's phone,
which was fine, but I think it's something to have too if you really wanted that extra special thing.
Yeah, like for me now looking back, I wish we did have a videographer. So for my wedding, I'm gonna make sure that we have one.
Yes, I think so. It's important.
Yeah, I think it is important, you know, just to kind of see everything like live, like moving in motion.
In motion.
Then that night, my mom bought matching pajamas for her bridal party because she didn't have bridesmaids. You didn't want like any.
No, only my nieces, and I think bringing them there and having them there close to my pictures was important to me.
We had Joanna, who is her cousin and who actually officiated the wedding for them.
Yes, which I am so grateful for.
Also, if you're getting married, you need an officiant.
Yes, you do.
You need somebody who's going to marry you. And I would say if you know someone that's really close to you, friend, family, or anything like that, and if they have like their officiating license, if they're a public notary, anything like that, if you can have a friend or a family member marry you, to me that's like special.
Yes.
And I felt like it was special for you guys.
Yes, it was, and it was personal because we know her, so she was able to put it together nicely. It's a big difference.
Yeah. So she bought the pajamas, the matching pajamas, which you guys saw on my Instagram. The slippers were bought by my aunt. Oh, the pajamas. Yeah, the pajamas were from Boohoo. We're taking a little break. The camera shut off, so my mom had to sip her mimosas.
Yes.
I did my mom's hair and makeup for her wedding day. So
which was nice.
Which was nice, and also another way to save some money. Makeup and hair is expensive. If you can, practice on yourself for a while or have a girlfriend practice on you so that way you can save money in that way. Then I think you can spend that money for that particular thing and put it in something else.
Right.
The one thing that cost the most money was the flowers.
Yes.
Because we didn't use artificial, we used like real flowers. But that, to me, I didn't know any better. I just thought that that's what people use for weddings.
Right.
But apparently you can get artificial silk flowers for your wedding and it looks just as beautiful. The flowers were like really expensive.
But they're pretty though. They were elegant.
They were pretty, but you know, as I'm thinking of it from an investment standpoint.
Right.
They died like maybe 2 to 3 days later.
Right.
And it's a lot of money spent.
Okay.
So like I said, if you can take that money and put it somewhere else, I would say it's more worth it that way.
Okay.
Unless you're really into natural flowers, it smells amazing, it looks beautiful, then you can go that route too.
Right.
What else? Oh, we also got our catering company.
It was amazing.
You know, we don't like gourmet or anything like that. We like rice, beans, meat, salad.
Maduros,
tostones, like we have to have like that kind of spread, and my mom wanted a buffet style reception, so
it worked out perfectly, and the food was amazing.
Yeah, the food was like over the top. It was amazing, it was great. It was and I will also be leaving their information down below. By the way guys, none of this is sponsored. I just really feel like you should know these things, and if you're planning something, definitely check everything out down below because you will not be disappointed.
And also they had the people who were serving, they were so professional.
Oh, guys, we had servers and everything.
And they were so nice.
They were good.
They were really good.
I forgot about that part.
Oh, you shouldn't.
And the caterers also had plates, ceramic plates, and the silverware to come along with their food. They had the warmers. So it was like a whole setup. Now that we're here at the wedding, we did her hair and her makeup. And then after that, we took some pictures. And then we walked down the aisle.
We had petals.
Yeah, we had like a little flower petal moment with some candles. It was very romantic.
Right.
And then she got married, and everyone family-wise was there to see the beautiful ceremony.
Oh, yeah.
It was
really
great.
Nice. Really
yeah.
nice.
Were you nervous walking down?
Yes, I thought I was going to fall down, though, but...
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, we also did our rentals from this lady who is a really good friend of Juan's mom.
Yes.
Her name is Magali.
She's amazing.
And since, like I said, we were staying at a rental property, it had furniture.
Yeah.
So the day before actually, we had to remove all the furniture and move it to like an arcade room that was in the house. And it was completely empty canvas in the living room area and in the dining area. So then Magali went in there and she put all the chairs down, all the white standard chairs that you see at a wedding, and she put down pipe and drape on the wall to cover the TV because we didn't want it to give like a very house vibe.
Right.
We wanted it to look a little more elevated than that. And she also put the linens on top of the tables, and she gave us an extra table to put, and it looked perfect. We had the ghost Chivari chairs. Look at me talking like I know what I'm saying. We had it planned from the beginning to the very end of how the wedding was gonna look, and our wedding planner actually did like this. It wasn't like a full room flip, but after the ceremony they removed all the chairs from there and put them in a room, and we took the arch from their ceremony and put it behind the sweetheart table. The sweetheart table is where the bride and the groom sit. All of the like the tables and stuff were provided from Magali,
right,
like I mentioned.
She's very good, and she has good prices,
very affordable. And my mom went with Ivory everything, so it worked out. And then we had runway events doing the floral arrangements, and they were able to do the centerpieces for the tables, and they put candles in between the floral arrangements. They had the sweetheart table with a piece of eucalyptus,
right,
and her bouquet in the middle of the table. So that also elevated the reception, and we were able to repurpose the arch.
The arch, right.
And
right.
It looks great. It looked amazing.
And then we put the DJ.
Oh yes, and we put the DJ. Now we opened that living room area, made it into a dance floor, and the DJ was there. After my mom got married, they had their married moment where the wedding planner took them to their room, and
right.
they got to like have champagne and a couple hors d'oeuvres.
Right.
While us, the guests, went outside in the pool area for cocktail hour.
You have your little drink, you have your little appetizer.
Yeah, we also had appetizers. We had like a cheese and fruit display.
Right.
And we also had a bartender there. He locked in, and he had like this little setup. Everything looked great. Everything looked fancy. Everything was like, oh, okay.
Well, should we show them what you know?
My mom brought some props with her. So do you want to show them?
This is what my signature drink was, you know. So
yes.
he had it well set up.
Another great way to save money. Have a signature drink.
Yes.
You can have an open bar, but just remember that you're going to be spending a lot of money on liquor. I mean, everybody was drinking Bahama Mamas the whole night.
Yes.
So it was really great because everyone was occupied and entertained,
right.
instead of just sitting around waiting for the next thing to happen.
Right.
And the DJ was also playing music, and he had like a little speaker outside, so we were just chilling and vibing. And
yes, it was good.
it was really good. So after cocktail hour, the wedding coordinators, well, they made everyone come inside, and we all took our seats.
Right.
And then my uncle gave a toast, which was a really good toast, by the way.
It was.
I thought it was. Didn't you?
I think it was. Yeah.
Yeah, you guys were both laughing.
I was happy.
And then you got inspired and you gave a speech.
Yeah, because I was thankful of you, you know. So I wanted to make sure I thanked the right people. I wasn't supposed to talk, but I did. And if that's what you feel
it
like
worked
doing,
out.
It's good. Then after I talked, then he wanted to talk.
Then he got inspired and he gave a speech too.
And then he wanted to talk too.
And he talked.
And then after that, we toast.
We toasted, yes. And one thing I will say is if you're getting married, it's good to give one person the baton to give the toast, because that does happen where people do get inspired. And if you have like a timed situation, because I know a lot of venues have like, you can rent the space for up to a couple hours and then you gotta like go. Give the baton to one person. Don't give too many people like the job of having a toast, because people do get inspired and they do give toasts too.
And too long.
And they can be a little long.
You gotta be careful with that too. Remember
so
that.
Luckily that wasn't an issue for us because we were already staying on the property. But that's just a mental note for anybody who plans on getting married. Just maybe give like one or two people the job of having or giving the toast.
And then we had a blessing on the food.
And then his mother blessed the food. Then the wedding coordinator called everyone, like 5 people at a time, to go get their plates and go get their food. We sat down, we ate, we drank. What happened after? Oh, then you guys cut the cake.
Then we cut the cake.
Then you cut the cake.
It was a wonderful cake.
It was?
Yeah.
I didn't get to eat any cake. The catering company served the cake. It came as part of their package. So if you're getting married and you have a catering company, make sure to ask if they have cake cutting services as well, because they can better portion out the cake. Let them do that. Ask if they do that, because from our catering company, it was complimentary.
What happened after that? The party started. They put the music, and
the music got a little louder, and everybody got a little.
Exactly. So then we started dancing and having a great time, and I went into the pool.
You went into the pool? Yes, I did. With your dress on? My dress on. Wow.
There wasn't anybody around because everybody was already, you know, the party was all settling down and everybody was already. So then I went into the pool, and then when I get out, I was wet.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, that must have been really late. We had her wedding from 4 to 9.
4 to 9, which was excellent.
So at 9 o'clock, the vendors packed up their stuff and they left. And whoever wanted to stay and continue the party, we did that.
We did that.
We had like a surround sound in the house. We just put music on and it was a great time. So we wanted to also share with you guys little tips and tricks on how you can save some money.
Right. These things like this, you know, you need it for the bar or for anywhere in the house.
We used it for the bar.
We use it for the bar, which is really my signature drink. They put it here and I think it was very elegantly done. You know, and I only paid $3.99 for this. So
where'd you get it?
I got these at Ross.
Oh, Ross.
So, you know, they really worked out. I also got this gift book at Amazon, which was amazing. You know, I like because it's silver.
Guest book?
It says guest book, yes. And then I also like the pen set that comes, it didn't come with it, but I sent for it and I think it was wonderful. It writes good.
And where'd you get that?
I got this at Amazon.
She got her dress at Macy's and it fit like a glove. Like it was perfectly made for her.
Yeah, and it was simple amazing. And it was nice to what I wanted. You don't have to spend a lot. My shoes.
Where are your shoes?
I gotta show you my shoes. I don't know
yes,
my shoes.
Her shoes were so cute.
Yeah, they were bow and then they were satin. Yeah. But they're very comfortable. They're not bad at all.
Okay.
You know, so I recommend these shoes.
The people want to know where you got these shoes.
I got them on Amazon. It comes with an extra heel. So just in case something happens to your heel, you can replace the heel. This was amazing. I got this on Amazon too.
It's your cake stand.
Cake stand, right. But it has a whole bunch of crystals in it and I thought it was so lovely. I just like all the crystals in it. I thought it was very pretty. So I got this chain that I used for my wedding. I thought it was so pretty.
Where'd you get that?
I got this at Amazon. So I got this and then I got my earrings from there.
And that looks very high quality.
Yes, they are.
As you can see, we were able to save some money buying things from Amazon, buying things from Ross.
Yes.
And getting her wedding dress from Macy's versus getting it from some bridal store.
Yeah, so just when you want to save a little money somewhere. So this is where I saved and I'm happy I did.
Yeah.
And also my hair clips.
She put these super cute hair clips in her hair.
And my hair right here, I thought they were really nice. So, you know, these I got from Ross also.
My mom is like a Ross and Marshall's connoisseur. Like she's actually put me on to like Marshall's and Home Goods. Like I go in there sometimes with her, but now I'm like obsessed because you find so many things.
Yeah.
So just so you guys know, it is possible to pull off a wedding in 30 days.
Yes, it can.
We did it with the help of Runway.
Runway was wonderful. I was very happy to have that team with me that day. It was amazing.
Yeah, they were so cute too.
They were. It gets scary because you don't really know what's gonna happen, but after you start doing the research and you can do certain things on your own, then it becomes easier for you.
It becomes a lot easier, yeah. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you, Mom, for joining me.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna have to have you back here again soon.
Yes, I would like that.
Okay. All right, let's do it. If you guys want to see my mom back here doing something else with my hair, she actually did these braids for me because my hair was looking crazy.
Yes, she was.
If you guys want to see my mom back here doing some more hair related stuff, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below and make sure you subscribe to this channel and I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye.
Bye.